Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a GoDaddy account. So first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, okay? Once done, go to the URL box. Now type in godaddy.com. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it will ask you to sign in. So what you'll do is just click on create an account. Okay. Just click on it. Now, you could go ahead and use your Facebook, Google, or another email address. Okay. To make your life easier, you can go ahead and connect from these two. For example, Google right here. Just click on it and select an account from your Google accounts listed. Okay. Now, in here, just hit on continue. Wait for the next page. And once done, as fast as that, you now have a GoDaddy account. That is it. You can now go ahead and customize your domains, add your email or professional email. Go through the profile right here and click on account settings. You'll be able to change a ton of options. Okay. Domains right here, you can go ahead and buy one or transfer and some other options. Okay. You have marketing, security, email, and websites and hosting as well. Okay. And that is it. That's how you create a GoDaddy account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.